Welcome back everyone to our Info channel. We are all waiting for the new third generation Mazda CX-5 2026 model year to replace the current CX-5, which has been around since 2017. And recently the first official picture has been leaked, so we have rendered the upcoming 2026 Mazda CX-5 again based on that picture, but with different colors. Please let us know if you like the new design, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.